Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special treat for you guys because you're going to come with me to work. Now, it's 1:49, well 1:50 now. I have to be on set at 3:30. The location is 30 minutes away from me, so I have to be out of here within 15 minutes. Set timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to speed you along with me, okay? But we're gonna do a voiceover. First things first, we stay in the lips. You already know the Benefit lip stain. She's been holding me down for years. She's not loud, but she shows up. Think lip commitment, but make it chic. We're starting off soft, juicy, alive. La Mer on the back of my hand mixed with a little bit of RCMA, and oof. When I say this mix gives the most angelic, blurred, hydrated skin finish, it never breaks me out, it never looks cakey, and it never says, hi, I'm wearing foundation. It whispers, it doesn't scream, and we love that. Let's talk concealer, because NATASHA DENONA, she really knew what she was doing with this one. She did her big one. Top 3 of all time, no debate. I'm just going to lightly highlight around my face, sculpt. Think geometry. We are going to lift, and anywhere the light wants to play with me, I'm going to make it look plump. And notice, no sponge yet, just a brush. We're not erasing product, we're placing it exactly where we want the light to flirt. And guess what? Brushes save time actually. More blend, less bounce. Now, I tried this Morphe contour stick for the first time, and listen, I'm not sure if I'm fully obsessed yet or committed, but it's giving Rare Beauty vibes, different tone, a little bit warmer, sexy. I love to just really give it a go on my jawline because I love it defined. I love to sculpt the perimeter of my face. I love to give a light and a warmth to my lids. And specifically on my forehead, I really like it to come alive because I want the center to pop. And the more you put darkness around it, your forehead will look really beautiful. Because slimming the nose is just a lifestyle. Even if your nose is already small, it's a spiritual practice at this point. So leave me alone with that. Now this right here, this RHODE blush, impeccable, unreal, divine. I tap a little bit everywhere to create that monochrome harmony. Just a little here, just a little there. It's not just makeup, it's melody. Using the back of the F4 brush, just melt it all together. No beginning, no end. We don't want to see the transition. We want to feel it. And that's how you get natural, glowy skin. Untraceable product, effortless, magique. You're gonna have to take your time with your brushes. Now that the concealer has had time to dry down, we go in gently. No creases allowed. This blender is your eraser. Sweep it away, whatever doesn't belong. And yes, now we use the sponge. We waited for the drama to settle. A little bit of dry down is going to change your makeup game. I've said this from the beginning. Let everything dry before you play around with it. Only use brushes, and that's kind of the key component to doing makeup beautifully. Now a little bit of my blush vanished, so I'm going to give it some chest. Curling my lashes now. There's nothing like a curled lash. It's giving bright-eyed, 8 hours of sleep fantasy. Even if I don't wear makeup, I'm always curling my lashes. This powder I picked up in Korea. Honestly, it has me obsessed. I've been using it for months now. It's like a whisper of blur, barely there, but super powerful. I just tap it wherever I concealed. Bam, shine free. It's like velvet magic. We're gonna go in with a baby bake. Just a little touch of Laura Mercier, using a brush to apply it on. We're not packing anything in. It's daytime, babe. I still need to look like I'm working and thriving. Round 2 with a second bake, but only underneath the contour. Huda Beauty Banana, just that under chisel moment. And anywhere I get oily, I really stamp this into just to make sure we are bulletproof. One size pressed powders. I have been using it since the launch of this product. It really is that girl. It helps me warm everything up and gives me that insurance policy on top of the contour for it not to slip and slide. And I love the tone that it adds onto my color. And we're just gonna go in with Dior Glow. to add that shine, that radiance, that luxury, that lifted. For the eyes, my forever love, KOSAS Undressed, soft, sexy, never aggressive. The tones are just a chef's kiss. It helps me contour my eyes in a buttery, smooth way and shape them and not make it look like I'm wearing too much eyeshadow. And of course, bigger is better for your lips, and just a little bit of brown shadow to wing out your eyes to elongate them. No harsh liner used. We're going sultry, not surgical with this look. I don't want to look like I had a fox eye lift, but I do want a little moment going on with my eyes. Tom Ford bronzer time. Hello Glow. Just a little kiss of illumination where we've contoured, because I love it and it gives me a little glimmer of hope. Back to my KOSAS blush, because yeah, I really forgot about this one. This one's a good one and I've put it back into my rotation. Honestly, consumerism makes you forget about really good products a lot of the time. Wipe off the bake gently, do not disturb the art. And look at us for the time spent, cuteness secured. But also be gentle with how you move that brush around. You really don't want to create any lines. Now this setting spray right here, I've talked about it, Dalba. If you know, you know. It seals everything like a spell and just doos you up. For lips, Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. This is the perfect lip liner color for anyone, and I say it with chest. Also, can I ask you guys a serious question? Why do we all curl our lips in while lining our lips? Like, are we sucking our soul into our mouth just to hit that Cupid's bow? Cleaning it all up with a little bit of concealer. And if you've been following me for a while, then you know how obsessed I've been with this Revlon lip color for years now. This lip on me is perfection. Topping the cheeks off with this DIOR glowy shimmer, because if I don't look sun-kissed, I don't want it. You're just gonna hit the peaks of your face for a lifted effect. This Lancome mascara. Why is no one talking about this mascara? It's so good. The wand is a little wingle mingle dream. I just try not to smack it on the sides of my cheek. I feel like their goal was for it not to do that, but I do hit the side of my cheek with it. Chaos, I know. But look at the thickness and the length it gave me. Beautiful, astonishing. I love this mascara and it does not leak. It is a little difficult to take off, but I mean, I don't really care about that because I use really good products to take off my makeup. I just want it to last all day, you know? These Korean lashes though, they whisper deity. Look at my eyes. Meow. It's giving cat. Meow. Look at how pretty that is. And I'm just going to go in with a coat of mascara to marry those two textures together. And I obviously got some on my lid a little bit. It happens. We forgive. We move on. Just use a clean spoolie. The Dalba spray on a sponge, beat it into the face. It's going to really make your skin look like skin. I guess this turned into a clean girl tutorial. Also, hit the center of your lip with a little bit of concealer. It'll make that YSL glaze last. I keep saying that it's done, but is it done? I think that should suffice. Do you guys like videos like this where it's really realistic? Let me know down in the comments below. How did I do with the timing? Please subscribe, and also don't forget to like and drop comments too here and there. I actually do answer you guys.